Hello guys, welcome to my new session and myself Rituja Nirvan and welcome to my YouTube channel Rituja Ki Pathshala. So here once again we are in the new session of my channel. So in the previous lecture we have seen regarding the what are the types of the clauses in the SQL server. Now today and also we have seen what is the where clause, how we can implement it and all. Now today we are going to see what is the from clause and where we can implement it, how to use it in the different kind of scenarios and all that. Okay. So guys, as you can see on my screen, there is a from clause. Okay. So let's say I'm into my database data underscore science underscore 1. Now in this database I am having multiple number of tables. So from that I will try to fetch one of the table whose name is student underscore details underscore 1. Okay, and underscore, and just select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So see guys, you can see some data which is present inside the table, which is including the column roll number, F name, L name, city and department. Okay, now what is from clause and what is it? So guys, you are using this from many times if you are following my video into the SQL server. So I will just try to remind you. See what I am writing is select, okay, star means you will able to fetch all the rows and columns which is present inside your table. And here I am writing from, right, from, from. This is only the from of the from clause. So select star from and my table name. See, my table name is this one and semicolon. So see, this from is the from clause which I want to tell you that this is the one of the type of the clause which we are used in the SQL server in order to fetch the data which is present inside the table. Okay, so this is, and if you hit the execute button, see you can fetch the table. This is the one scenario. Now let's move towards the second scenario. If you want only two columns from this table like city and department, okay, city and department, okay, from table, okay. So here in this piece of code I have written select, okay. After that I have written the column name which I want to fetch, and after that I have written from. So this is the from which I want to explain you. This is the from clause, and after that I have written the table name. When you select this piece of code and hit the execute button, see you can able to fetch only the two columns which is present inside the table which we want to access from the table. Okay, so this is the from clause. Okay, this is one of the scenario. Now again, if you want to, let's say guys, if you want to delete any kind of the thing from the table, so what you can do? So you can see simply do that, delete, then student underscore details, table name, from, okay, select, select table name, where, delete, okay, then where I want to delete that particular record whose roll number is, where roll number equals to 103, see 03 and semicolon. Now select table name, okay, from, where, just, okay, apologies for this guys, I missed some of the code here. So you can use it where you want to delete some kind of the record or in that particular table. So you can simply use it, delete, then you can use the from clause, then table name where roll number is 103. So the record the table who is having the record of 103, I will try to delete this whole record from the table and hit the execute button. So messages one row is affected. So that means that I think was 103 roll number record is deleted. See, 102, 104 and 101, not 103 is not present. So in this way you can use the from clause. Okay, so guys, this is the from clause for today. For today it is done. Now in the next lecture we are going to see the select clause and what it is, how it is used, why we are using it, and all this. Okay, So guys, if you are able to follow my lecture, if you are able to follow at your end, if you are trying to practice it, or you are able to easily understand whatever I am explaining to you, please go to my channel, like my channel, also like my videos, share with your friends so they can also understand. If you find any kind of difficulty, any kind of improvement needed into my lecture, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it, and I will make sure that I will do that things properly. And thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.